Ay, Mike? Mike?
Sabihin mo kayo. Wait, 7256.
Bakit ang hina ng mid?
Ang number?
Ano? Mid-range ko.
Ay.
Basta 3 days ka lang magpahinga ng huwag ka muna magsasalita. 2 days ka na. Thursday, Friday. Ay, mataas na. Hindi, tama.
Yeah, teka.
Ang number ang 6714?
Tama yun? Ano?
Yung blue eyes.
Ano?
Brown eyes.
Brown eyes. Ano?
Ang number?
Maganda yun. Brown eyes, diba? Ang dami ng blending places sa stick with yung mga
Ang number ng brown eyes?
Tsaka tatlo talaga bones doon. Isang mababa, isang melody, isang yung mataas. Remember the first, tapos yung isa, remember the first. Maganda kasi mabagal. So, maganda siya pag walang dapat fast. 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 Hindi, anong fast natin? Yung may tugtugin.
Maganda pa ang ano.
Who can deny the joy it brings? You find that special thing. You're flying without
Mas maganda yung ano. May mas maganda pa dyan, Tol. May mas maganda pa talaga dyan.
Ang ano?
Dapat nga ito, Tol.
Fire, marami sa
Isipan mo yung audience.
Ano ba? Ano mga sabi?
Hindi ko nga, yun nga yung kinakatakot ko. Kasi boy band. Boy band.
May insync ba?
Meron doon.
Insync? May insync?
Pero hindi ko alam mga song nila. Pero,
This I promise you.
nandun. Ayun na ba?
Sayang, wala tayong study tape. Masarap sana,
Pwede na ako sa una, mababay pa.
Oo, hindi ko abot. Hindi ko abot.
Ako na nandyan.
Sa second, voicing tayo. Sa second verse.
Ay, kung mataas, sana maano ko, no?
Okay lang.
Ano yung tono ng mataas?
Wait lang. Hindi pa dyan eh.
Ginakaba pa yan?
The woman you dream. Wala pang voicing dyan eh. Wala pa dyan eh. But the first day when you took me out, we had that fun. We tried. Grabe, nasira na lang muna ko kanina. Kaya nga nadyan ako.
The way we held each other's hand, the way we talked, the way we laughed, it felt so good.
Ayan, dyan may voicing na sa chorus.
And I knew right there and there you were the one. I know that he loves me, 'cause he told me so. I know that he loves me,
Wala, hindi ko
'cause
makuha.
his feelings show when he stares at me and
May
sees
mababa dyan eh.
from me. Oh, I'm real deep in love.
Makuha.
I know that he loves me.
Meron lang tayo hanggang 12 noon bukas para makapili.
And listen me if there's no kiss in me.
Ayan na, may voicing na dyan. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko makuha.
Girls tell me so.
Alam ko lang yung mataas, yung hindi ko makuha. Yan. Yan yung gusto niya. Gusto ko yan.
Ano yan? Remember the first day we kissed. Remember the first day we had an argument. We apologized and then we compromised and we held argued scenes. Remember the first day we stopped playing games. Remember the first day you fell in love with me. It felt so good for you to say those words, 'cause I felt the same way too. The way we held each other's hand, the way we talked, the way we laughed. It felt so good to find true love, and I knew right there and there you were the one. I know that he loves me, 'cause he told me so. I know that he loves me, 'cause his feelings show when he stares at me. You see he cares for me. You see how he's so deep in love.
Tawagin doon sa ating pusikat tayo.
I know that he loves me, 'cause he's selfish. I know that he loves me, 'cause he's being just when he's with me.
Ano lang, sabi ni Bravia,
When you
12.
look to me, his brown eyes
Wala nga, Dolce Abon. Kasi hindi ka siya.
Pag nakapili daw ng song, kailangan daw kantahin. Pag nakapili na ng song, kailangan kantahin ngayon. Or tomorrow. Pag nakapili na daw ng song, kailangan kantahin. Yun, wala lang. And kakain na tayo.
Hati kayo ni Chris?
Hati tayo sa breast part.
It's all breast naman.
Talaga? Bro,
It's chicken breast.
alam niyo magandang ano,
No problem, man. Go ahead
ito
and...
ano ko sa inyo, payo ko sa inyo. Magandang acapella. Sukiyaki. It's all because of ding-ding-ding. Feeling sad and blue.
Wala.
You ran away. Sino ba kumanta nun?
Kakainit ko lang.
Now my life is just a rainy day.